Hello students, this is Pradip Sharan and now I am going to discuss the factor theorem from polynomial chapter of standard 9. So first this factor theorem is already written. I am reading this one time. If px is a polynomial of degree greater than n and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of px if p of a equal to 0. Okay, so let us take one example of a polynomial. So let px is a polynomial and this polynomial is equal to 2x square plus 1. Very simple polynomial I have taken. Now for this polynomial, if this polynomial is divided by x minus a, okay, so just you try to understand, this px polynomial is dividing by x minus a. Now just to remember the remainder theorem, what was the remainder theorem? Remainder theorem was that when p of x is divided by x minus a, then remainder will be p of a. Understood? So till now we got when px is divided by x minus a, remainder is pa. Now one very simple example I want to give you, that when 6 is divided by 2, so 2 3 ja 6, there is no remainder is 0, so we can say that 2 is a factor of 6. Why? Because remainder is 0. So now you compare this one. When you are dividing px by x minus a, we already got p of a is a remainder. So when you can say that x minus a is a factor of px, when remainder is equal to 0, is it? Now only I said when remainder is equal to 0, then divider will become a factor. Same process, px is dividing by x minus a. Now if remainder p of a equal to 0, then we can say that x minus a is a factor of px. That is only the formula theorem, that x minus a is a factor of px if p of a equal to 0. That is if remainder equal to 0. So I have already shown here. Now conversely, it is said that if p of a equal to 0, means at first only it is given here, at first only it is given, it is second part, at first only it is given that p of a equal to 0. Okay, means criterion same, px is dividing by x minus a. Now it is already given that p of a equal to 0. Just to think, px is divided by x minus a and it is given p of a equal to 0. So p of a equal to 0 means what? By dividing px by x minus a, you are getting remainder equal to 0. Now if remainder is equal to 0, then you can say that x minus a, this x minus a is a factor of p of x. I hope you understood. Thank you.